Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card onto your Uber Eats account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubereats.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Uber Eats website. Now from the homepage, log into your account using your credentials or your social media account, and once you are logged in, you will be able to make your order. Now, if you wish to add a gift card onto your account, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Wallet. Now, from your wallet page, you will see the Add Payment Method button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the gift card option as well. Click on Gift Card and you will be asked to enter your gift card code. Simply type your code within the code box and click on the Apply button, and now your gift card will be applied immediately and the amount will be transferred into your Uber Cash. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a gift card onto your Uber Eats account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.